Good morning from Chicago. Today is the big day. I'm traveling to Antarctica, my 7th continent. It feels crazy to say that, and I'm so excited. But first, I have a very long travel day ahead of me. Let's go. Woo! Nailed it. First, my dad is taking us to the airport. Dad, why aren't you coming with us?
I wasn't invited.
Oh, lies. Then we fly 3 hours to Houston. And from Houston, we fly 10 hours to Buenos Aires, where we try to get some sleep. Good night. Then we spent the next 24 hours exploring, eating, and soaking up the sunshine in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is very early this next morning, and we are about to jump on a 4-hour flight to Ushuaia, which is the southernmost city in the world, also known as the end of the world. And now we're gonna get on the Viking Octantis, which is gonna take us to Antarctica. After surviving 2 days crossing the Drake Passage, we have finally made it to Antarctica. We're about to board a Zodiac that's gonna bring us to land for the very first time. And finally, I fulfilled my lifelong dream of stepping on all 7 continents. Okay, we just made it back from our first trip out to Antarctica. How was it?
It was fabulous.
Yes. It was really, really cool. It wasn't as cold as I expected. If you're coming from a colder location anyway, like we're coming from Chicago, we've been dealing with this for 6 months anyway, so this kind of just felt like an average day for us, just with way better views. We saw penguins. There was a building here that we weren't able to see. Unfortunately, we couldn't go in today, but it's because there's penguins nesting right outside the building, so obviously we didn't want to disturb them.
We saw it from afar, just like we're looking out our window with tons of icebergs and mountains, it looks like, and I mean, gorgeous.
Yeah, when we first woke up this morning, we're like, open the window, and we opened it, and there's this giant mountain like right behind us, and yeah, it's just incredible. It's not as icy as I expected. We're also here in early March, so a lot of the snow has gone, but it'll start coming back because we're going into their fall season.
Perfect weather to go exploring.
A great first day in Antarctica.
Yeah.
And the next, I'm gonna go kayaking. First of 3 kayaking sessions. We've been in the kayaks for all of 3 minutes, and we've already seen Adelie penguins and seals. Sorry, I don't have a zoom camera today. There are 2 seals right there.
Yeah.
Just finished my first kayak adventure. We were able to see penguins and some seals. Nobody fell in the water, that's always key. And of course, the ship greeted us with some lovely drinks on the way back. One of my favorite things so far has been sitting here at dinner and somebody just shouts out whale, and everybody collectively like runs outside, takes pictures. The waitstaff is in on it too. They're like, look over there. And they've seen it a million times. We've only seen it 1 time, so everybody runs out. We're not dressed for it. I ran downstairs to grab a big camera, but always have a camera with you is what I've learned. Jeez, that was cool. Oh, there. Oh my God. Right there. Okay, we just got out the Zodiacs, came back to our cabin, started changing, and all of a sudden I see some movement outside our window. There's a whale. I don't know what kind it is, but I just saw the tail. Oh my God, I don't know why I'm crying. It was so cool. It's just like hanging out around our ship. Oh my God.
Oh my God. That's so cool.
Good morning from beautiful Neko Harbor. My kayaking tour just got canceled. However, I'm not even sad about it because today we get to make a continental landing onto Antarctica. The Zodiacs are out. I'm very excited to go see what's out there. I've heard that there's a penguin colony, so gloved fingers crossed. We made it to Neko Harbor. It is our first time on the actual continent of Antarctica. This is crazy. There's a whole colony of gentoo penguins. It smells, but it's awesome and totally worth the wait to get here. There are so many penguins here, and they have the right of way, so they will just walk right by you. They have what are called penguin highways that they use as their main route to get back and forth from different places. And these penguins are not scared of us. They are walking right up to us, walking right through us, trying to get along with their day. Very excited. We've now seen gentoo, Adelie, and chinstrap penguins on this trip. Sorry, there's penguins jumping, you understand. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for the rest of my Antarctica series.